In the heart of Sri Lankan central province lies the stunning Puna Ella Waterfall. Just 25 kilometers from Nuwara-Eliya, along the scenic road between Pussellawa and Ramboda, this waterfall is a beautiful spot of natural wonder and calm. Standing at about 100 meters high, Puna Ella is the 11th tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka. Its waters cascade gracefully, creating breathtaking views that can be found from the Peradeniya Nuwara-Eliya Road, catching the eye of everyone who passes by. What makes Puna Ella unique is that it is formed by two streams, the gentle Puna Oya and the stronger Pundalu Oya. The area around Puna Ella is full of diverse plant and animal life, some of which are only found in Sri Lanka. This makes it an important place for conservation. The waterfall also boosts local tourism, helping the local economy and holding cultural significance. Known by several names including Puna Oya and Ramboda Falls, it is rich in local stories and traditions. Puna Ella Waterfalls is more than just a natural landmark. It symbolizes the lasting beauty and strength of nature. It stands as a testament to Sri Lanka's rich natural environment, inviting everyone who loves peace and natural beauty to experience its magnificence.